We've got breaking news just coming in. Director Generals of Military Operations of India and Pakistan held discussions over the established mechanism of hotline contact. The two sides have reviewed the situation along the line of control and all our sectors in a free, frank and a cordial atmosphere. Both sides reiterated that existing mechanisms of hotline contact and border flag meetings are going to be utilized to resolve any unforeseen situation or misunderstanding. That's the latest coming in from the Director Generals of Military Operations of both India and Pakistan. They have held discussions over the established mechanism of hotline contact. Both the sides have reviewed the situation along the line of control. It was a free, frank and cordial atmosphere is what we're picking up. Abhishek Bhalla, who's breaking the story, is now joining us. Abhishek, kindly walk us through the significance of a move of holding discussions over the established mechanism of hotline contact. If you could just break this down, what this means, what is the significance and how it is going to help both the sides going forward.
Chaiti, the mechanism of the DGMOs speaking to each other is to ensure that there is a constant dialogue at the military level between India and Pakistan. And most often, such a discussion takes place to ease the tensions. Now, there has been a lot of escalation at the line of control, not just in the few weeks, but in fact, over the last few months, things have been pretty hot. The line of control has seen several skirmishes. There has been shelling from both the sides. Both the sides have often complained that civilians have also been victims of the shelling. So in wake of these developments, a DGMO discussion has taken place, and it was decided that from the midnight of 24th February, all ceasefire procedures will be put in place. Now, it's not as if these mechanisms have not been discussed earlier. Obviously, there is a ceasefire between the two countries, but whenever there is an escalation, there is a violation of that ceasefire. So it remains to be seen whether it will have an impact in the days to come. But an important development that the DGMOs have spoken to each other after a long time.
All right, thanks Abhishek for joining us with the latest details on this story that is breaking at the moment. We'll continue getting more reactions that are coming in on this breaking news that's coming in at the moment.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.